Dear students, now we are going to discuss about the story The Address. Introduction. The story The Address was written by Marga Minka. She was a Dutch journalist and writer. Her real surname was Minko. This story, The Address, centers around a daughter who goes in search of her mother's property after the war in Holland. She finds all the properties which arouse memories of her earlier life. However, she decides to leave them all behind and resolves to move on. The characters of this story, The Address, there are three characters. First one is the daughter. She is the narrator and protagonist of this story. Returns to Holland in search of her mother's property. And second character is Mrs. S, the narrator's mother. She trusted Mrs. Dowling and allowed her to keep all her precious belongings for the time being. And third character is Mrs. Dowling. She was all the acquaintance of Mrs. S. She possessed a cunning personality. Let us see the brief summary of this story, The Address. Mrs. S. daughter visits Mrs. Dowling's house after the liberation of war in Holland. She remembers the address, therefore reaches there and meets a woman, Mrs. Dowling, whom she knows very well. To her surprise, Mrs. Dowling, who was a frequent visitor to their home before the war, but now she refuses to recognize her. The narrator introduces herself again and again, but all in vain. But Dowling is not able to recognize. Mrs. Dowling is wearing green knotted cardigan which once used to be worn by Mrs. S, her mother. A narrator wants to talk to Mrs. Dowling, but later turns to blind eye and shuts the door on her face. The narrator once again confirms the address by looking at the name plate again, which suggests Mrs. Dowling in black letters on white enamel, and the house number is 46. Having been dejected by Mrs. Dowling, the narrator walks slowly to the station. While walking down, she recalls the moments spent with her mother and the time when things had started disappearing from her room as well as home. When inquired, her mother told her about Mrs. Dowling, who was an old acquaintance whom she had not seen for years, but suddenly she had turned up and renewed her contact with her mother. And narrator's mother also adds that every time she leaves there, she takes something home with her. So according to her mother, Mrs. Dowling had taken everything, starting from antique plates and plates to the crockery used at the time at their home. So in short, she would insist to give all those things in order to save them from the war. According to her mother, she would carry a full suitcase or bag stuffed with household things. Her mother, Mrs. S, wanted the narrator to remember the address, number 46, Marconi Street. That is the address of Mrs. Dowling. Then narrator once again decides to go to Mrs. Dowling's home. This time, a girl of about 15 years old opens the door. The narrator inquires if her mother was at home. She denies, saying that she has been to market to run an errand. So the narrator enters her house and sees an old-fashioned candle holder and wooden tablecloth, teapot, spoons, and many other things which once belonged to her mother. She even feels the burn mark which is still there on the tablecloth. Seeing the things placed in a distasteful manner and feeling that they have lost contact with her mother, she decided to leave the house. The narrator noticed that the furniture was ugly, the room had a muggy smell. The narrator was disinterested and she wanted to leave the place. The narrator saw the tablecloth and bone mark, silver fork and spoons actually belonged to her mother. She decided not to visit the place again. Soon she realizes that she has to catch the train. She leaves the house and decides never to come back and to forget the address of Mrs. Dowling's home. So this is what about the story, The Address. So in this story about the human predicament that follows the pre-war and post-war period, Mrs. S was a Jew, rich lady, whereas Mrs. Dowling was a non-Jew. The girl, daughter of Mrs. S, had lost her house and her mother during the war, and now she had decided to come back to take her possessions from Mrs. Dowling, an acquaintance whose address was given by her mother years ago. So dear students, I hope you all can understand the story of the story, The Address. Thank you.